In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a custom field in Asana. First, open Asana in your browser and sign in if you aren't already. From your home screen or sidebar, navigate to the project where you want to capture extra information. This could be anything from a marketing campaign board to a product backlog. Opening the right project matters because the field you create will live in this project and become available on its tasks right away. With your project open, look to the top right of the screen and find the Customize button. This is your control center for tailoring the project to your team's workflow. Click Customize to open the panel. If you don't see it, make sure you have the necessary permissions for the project or switch from board to list view so the controls are easier to spot. Inside the Customize panel, locate the section for fields. Click Add to start creating something new. You'll see options for rules, forms, and more, but we're focusing on fields, so choose field. This tells Asana that you want to add a new column or attribute that tasks in this project can use. Now give your field a clear descriptive title. Think about what your team needs to track. For example, priority, effort, budget, or status. Keep the name short and unambiguous so everyone understands it at a glance. Good naming avoids confusion later and makes reporting cleaner. Next, click to open the field options and select the field type that best fits your data. Single select is great for consistent categories like high, medium, low. Multi-select works when more than one tag might apply. Number is perfect for estimates or costs. Text is flexible for short notes, and date helps when you want a specific timeline attribute. Choose the type that enforces the right level of structure for your team. When your title and type look good, click Create Field. Asana will add the field to your project immediately. In List View, it appears as a new column. In Board View, it shows inside each task card. You can start using it right away by opening a task and entering a value, or by filling cells directly in the list. If you don't see it where you expect, return to Customize to confirm it's toggled on for this project view. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Standardize your options before rolling the field out widely to keep your data clean. Reorder the field from the Customize panel so the most important info sits near assignee and due date. And remember that once populated, you can sort, filter, and report on this field to surface exactly what you need. And that's it. Your custom field is ready to streamline your Asana workflow.